those years of my life more than my college years, because those memories are there with us for a lifetime. We never ever forget our teachers. We still remember our friends. This is what I was always looking forward to. A reunion. This is a very emotional moment for me. I am really overwhelmed. Thank you, friends.
Hello. Thanks, Rajesh. Rajiv Jain. Sanjay Roy, you are the next on the list. Rajiv. Yeah. Acha, to tell you something about Rajiv for the present. Raghu Leela Mall इसकी वजह से चल रहा है frankly. He owns major of the shops over there.
हेलो, मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा. मेरा नाम राजीव है. मैंने इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएशन किया. हेलो, हाँ, इंजीनियरिंग में ग्रेजुएशन किया और अभी मैं रिटायर्ड लाइफ जी रहा हूँ. मैं काम करता हूँ फिर भी मुझे कोई भार नहीं है. मैं बहुत चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा कि बचपन में हमारी एक प्रेयर चालू होती थी, अस्तो माँ सद्गमया तमसो. हेलो, तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यु माँ अमृतंगमया. कोई भी शिक्षकों ने इसका मतलब आज तक मुझे बताया नहीं. एंड आई एम रियली जब मुझे इसका मतलब पता चला तो मुझे समझ में आया कि मैंने अपने जीवन में अगर इसका मतलब कोई भी शिक्षकों ने बताया होता तो मेरा जीवन शायद और भी या सबका जीवन बहुत ही अलग ही दिख रहा होता. और गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. हम बचपन में सोते सोते ये गाते ही रहे. 10 साल गाया लेकिन किसी ने उनको मतलब नहीं समझाया. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम लोग लर्न करते हैं स्कूल में, लेकिन ये जो प्रोसेस है ऑनलाइन का प्रोसेस है. हेलो, उसके सिवा जीवन में रोशनी नहीं हो सकती है. हम लोग कितने भी मिले, हमारा बचपन चाइल्ड लाइफ उधर अभी we want to share the childness, but हेलो, चाइल्ड लाइक क्वालिटीज जो हमारे अंदर होनी चाहिए, जो इनोसेंस होना चाहिए, दैट यू हैव टू लीड. आप अगर ये उपनिषदों के साथ सिर्फ चलेंगे, उपनिषद के वाक्यों पे चलेंगे तो ही वो आपके पास चाइल्ड लाइकनेस आएगा. उसके सिवा कहीं नहीं आएगा, है ना. पीपल हैव फेल्ड. आप सोचिए कि हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने जो भी हमें दिया है. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन बोलता है कि अगर एक प्रॉब्लम एक लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस में क्रिएट होता है तो उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको एक अलग लेवल ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस पे जाना पड़ेगा. इट कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व इन द सेम लेवल. हेलो, there is some problem with the mic, so I cannot speak clearly. Okay, there is more.
2 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं चलेगा.
Okay. Well, you know, Rajiv is more into spirituality right now. And Rajiv, you told us that the teachers didn't teach us. हिंदी में बोलूँगा. टीचर्स ने हमें मीनिंग नहीं समझाया. अरे फ्रेंकली टीचर हमें पढ़ा रहे थे कि हम लाइफ का मीनिंग समझ सके. ये सब हम पे था कि हम समझे कि नहीं समझे. गलती हमने यही की कि हम समझे नहीं. मैंने पहले बताया ना, we played with our life inside the school. क्योंकि मैं पहले से सब कुछ समझ चुका था. ओके, संजय रॉय. संगीता शेट्टी, यू आर आफ्टर दिस.
अच्छा, ऐसा है क्या? Good afternoon, friends, respected teachers. I am Sanjay Roy. On the personal front, I stay at Thakur Complex. I have a daughter, one wife, Atul. On the professional front, I work in the media industry, more particularly in the Hindi film industry. And I really want to thank all of you all to have come over here and have made this event a very rocking one. Thank you. I remember some instances. Yeah, please.
He always used to talk about some movies, shooting.
Yeah, because that
I'm
is.
still in that.
ये उसके खून में.
I'm still there.
उसके family business है ये. And everybody, if at all anybody wants to meet Kangana Ranaut, Ishqiya Part 2, he is in the team. I am first to meet her. Okay.
After you.
And my wife doesn't have any objection for that. उसको पता है यार इसे कोई नहीं रखेगा. Fine. Sangeeta.
Very thankful to Aparna, Ashutosh, and Kamlesh, of course. Sanjay Roy, correct. So it was really great and it was exciting meeting everybody after nearly 3 decades. I'm very thankful to all my teachers. Those who do not know me, of course, after so many years, I've changed a lot. Sangeeta is Rani. And I'm a teacher. Okay.
Friends, now next is Shantaram Shetty. Acha, before Shantaram says something, I would like to say something about us. Everybody must be knowing, we had some donation drive in the school for the National Association for the Blind. And after the collection, we had to attend the ceremony at Brabourne Stadium. सेरेमनी आधा छोड़ के हम लोग घूम रहे थे क्योंकि वो एस्केलेटर्स देखने जाते थे ओबरॉय होटल में, एयर इंडिया बिल्डिंग में. इसके साथ बहुत घूमा हूँ मैं वहाँ पर एस्केलेटर से घूम फिर के, वो भी शॉर्ट्स में, बिल्कुल यूनिफॉर्म में. एंड वी सॉ पूनम ढिल्लों over there. Fine, Chandra.
I'm Shantaram Shetty and I have two beautiful daughters. Hello. And I am related to construction business like Bhugani. His daily affair with him. And nothing more.
ये अन्ना ज़्यादा नहीं बोल रहा. नहीं यार, इतने साल के बाद सुन रहे हैं सबको. Santosh Warrior. Now again, another teacher. And okay, don't go on her surname please. She doesn't scold anybody. Warrior. Oh, we are not the students ना. बच्चों की क्या हालत होगी वो उसको ही पता.
Respected teachers, I'm so glad that you all been able to make it. Of course, we miss Desai Miss. Actually, the way I hold my mic, that I still remember the first time I came onto the stage and I was trembling with fear. So that credit, of course, goes to Desai Miss and all the teachers here who have always given us a boosting for all that, even the mistakes that we made, that was something, it was always taken in the right spirit and we were put forward all the time. And that's what I think initiated me into the profession again. So I'm a teacher. I teach biology at Thakur College. And there are many instances, in fact, again, even I have come in late into the school, but then I never felt like a newcomer anytime. The moment I came to the school, I was always initiated, and everybody had taken me just like a normal student. So I was never a newcomer, even though I came in the 8th standard only. So the memories that are there with me are always very good, and I thank everybody for all that I have been.
Thank you, Santosh. Saurabh. Shilpa, you are next on this. After Saurabh.
I am Saurabh Salgia. I stayed Borivali. I did my graduation in engineering. After that, I am into my own business. I am manufacturing some. I am into manufacture of some rubber, industrial rubber parts. I got a manufacturing unit at Daisa and I stay at Borivali. I would like to thank all my teachers for the guidance we have got from them, and we still remember. One particular incident I want to tell is the importance of Oma that we learned from Mishra sir. He used to tell us one sentence, Maro mat jane do. You change the position of comma and the meaning changes. Maro mat jane do. I still give this example to my daughter for showing the importance of comma. Thank you.
Yeah. Shilpa, 1 second. Acha, I forgot on, I skipped somebody on the list. We have a doctor with us. Manish.
Hello friends. There are two people whom I am jealous of. The first group of people whom I am jealous of is my teachers. You all are lucky, madams and sirs, that you came in an era where teaching was taken up by you as a profession by choice. And out of choice, you taught us, and you taught us well. You were not motivated by any greed or by any other things like a tuition or other things that you taught us, each and every one of us, according to his or her own interest. And that is something which is missing today, because now we have got children who are old, who go to schools, and we find out that the things were different when we were students, and things are much different when they are now students. And I am very happy that there are some of my classmates who are teachers, but by choice, I hope. And I am sure that we probably follow the illustrious footsteps that are from us. The second person I am jealous today is Rajiv Jain, who does not have to work at all to make a living. By contrast, I am a daily laborer. I have to work every day to make a living. I am a pediatrician, I am a child specialist, and every day I have to open my shop, sell myself, and make a living. Rajiv, I'm very jealous about you. Very, very jealous of you. I'm stationed in Thane. I have a nursing home, and I also have one wife and 2 children. And by the grace of God, things are good. And I'm very happy to be here with all my ex-friends, and I wish you all the very best in the days to come. Thank you.
Well, Shilpa. Actually, everybody mentioned, I forgot to mention, I also have one wife. And not searching for another one. अरे एक बार प्रबंध हो चुके यार. या बिना. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
He just said that every day he has to open his shop and sell himself.
Yeah.
Shilpa is kind of curious that who comes and buys him.
Well,
That's why it's pediatrician.
Nice me.
Yeah, you said
Yeah,
you
I-
opened the shop and
Yeah. So what I did was they buy my talents.
No, this is so interesting. Now if I go back to the days when the baby was just born, baby is sick, mama calling the doctor. No wonder you used to
Thank you.
well, there are troubled parents. The children, whose parents are, they care about the child. They are going to buy him anyhow. Sure. Okay. Shilpa. You next.
Hi Shandaram, Jai Shri Krishna. I am Shilpa Bhatia, now into Raveshia. I'm a director of a company that is NR Colors Private Limited. And one more thing I would like to share was we had a Marathi teacher, sir. नाम पता? आपके colleague. Sir. शिरोडकर सर. अभी ये तो हिंदी को भी नहीं पता होगा. मुझे 100 में से 7 मार्क आए थे मराठी में. और वो सर सिखाते थे, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था. I threw a chalk on that sir. याद है ना. और उसमें पकड़ा गया था बेचारा हृदयनाथ महापरे, जो सबसे ज्यादा मार्क्स आता था, आगे की बेंच में बैठता था और रोया सर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. और हम लोग ने सबने उसको बलि का बकरा बनाया. अभी मैं सॉरी बोलती हूँ. And then another incident I remember as Pratmesh said that he remembers Beena wearing that dress. And the same year we all girls had also an excitement because there was one more guy who had come down from Pala, Jay Herde. and two guys coming down from Pala and throwing up the air. हाँ गोपाल के हमारे अजदे वाला they had an attitude. 15 दिन में दोनों का attitude जमीन पे लाके दिखाया.
Now, I would like to recall one more chalk throwing incident, and that was our boss Asutosh Vakil. Yeah.
मिश्रा सर, दिस इज फॉर यू. आप हमारे 10th स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी सिखाते थे और मेरा और आपका हर रोज पंगा होता था. सर आपने भी याद किया ना, हर रोज सवेरे उठे कि आप मेरे पीछे लगते और मैं आपसे झगड़ा करके आप मुझे क्लास के बाहर खड़े करते और मैं जाते आते जाते सबको बोलती ये सर मेरा पीछा पकड़ रहे हैं. ऐसा ही होना चाहिए.
That chalk incident. I just don't remember the person who was hit by the chalk. Asutosh was angry on somebody. He threw the chalk, and that person ducked it, and there was a lady standing in the way. And she had nice quarrel with Asutosh. I don't remember the name. Only Asutosh knows. And I hope he doesn't want to declare right now. Listen, Saurabh, ये CD है ना घर पे भी देखने वाले हैं. Okay, next is Shilpa Negandhi. Shilpa. Srikanth, you are after her.
Hello everybody. My name is Shilpa Negandhi, and I have actually I have been in contact with teachers. Like I get news about teachers, but all the students, like all my friends, I don't know. I have lost touch with all of you. I was just saying that I get news about all my teachers because of my mother, but I never used to meet any of you, like any of my friends, and I used to travel even in childhood. I always used to feel because I used to travel from Malad to Borivali. So like always from school I had to go back home, and I always used to feel that I don't meet my friends or I don't play with them. So that's how it was, and thanks. I'm feeling very happy that I'm here today because, and it's all because of Sameer, Aparna, mainly Aparna, because I was very close to Aparna in school, and she was the one, you have to come. And yeah, I'm very happy that I am here today, and it's very emotional moment. Again, seeing everyone, it's like, I feel that I'm seeing myself. It's like, just by seeing all of you, I'm feeling myself. So it's lovely. Thanks.
Well, in the school days, I was always trying to impress Shilpa. Reason you know. Listen. Come on. You know the reason, yaar. Negandhi ma'am. No, you batate na. You see a cow. They used to say that if at all you want to milk the cow, you got to take her above the calf. So मैंने सोचा अगर इसकी बुक्स में मैं अच्छे टर्म्स में रहूंगा तो मैम थोड़ा कम मारेंगी मुझे. Okay, Srikanth Phatak, and next is Sandeep Nimani.
Respected teachers and sirs and my friends. I'm Srikanth Phatak, and I think everybody knows my mother was also a teacher at our school. Now, something personal about me. I'm working for Reliance, and I have done my engineering from Pune University. I have only one wife and one daughter. Nothing more about myself, but I can remember one incident of 4th standard when we had a gathering. Not exactly gathering. The situation was we had planned a gathering for 4th standard, and there was a play in which I don't remember that play's name, but there was 2-3 sentences for which Leena Parolekar and Avinash Totade were selected. But due to some reasons, Avinash Totade was not able to recite that sentence, and hence he was told to quit. voluntary teacher asked who would be the person to do that character. So I voluntarily said I will be doing, and I remember that thing in which I played with the part with Leena Parvekar. Unfortunately, she is not here. She might remember also, I don't know. And I tried my level best, and I also recited that sentence without any fear, because at that time the sentence was was very new to us. The sentence was, we wish to die together so that neither of us will left alone. That was the sentence which was to be spoken, and the action was, I have to put my hand around her shoulder and I have to talk. Avinash was not able to speak that and do that thing, and hence teacher voluntarily asked who would be doing. So I voluntarily said, and that was the incident which was kept in my mind, and the gathering never happened, but the practices at that time I used to do it enthusiastically. So that is the one incidence of our 4th standard, 4th A. वो याद रहेगा, और ऐसा बहुत से इंसिडेंट्स है, मगर क्या है, जैसा निकिता ने बताया कि सब पोल खोलनी नहीं चाहिए, तो इसके लिए आई एम नॉट यू राइट। तो फिर मैं ये बोला, मेरे को मालूम नहीं था ना ये जो पोल, अरे क्या करेगा, मगर इंसिडेंट तो है जो दिमाग में है वो तो बोलना चाहिए। सो दिस इज द थिंग, एंड I wish everybody best of luck for your future life, and everybody has said that we have meeting after 28 years, but I will not say that. I will say that we have already met in 1991. Most of them are present here, and I will say that we are meeting after 20 years, and hope so after 20 years we will be meeting as senior citizens. Okay, thanks.
Well, I would like. I think he has told that he works with Reliance Energy. अपने अपने बिल की कंप्लेन दे दो इसको. Okay, Sandeep Nimani.
Hello, respected teachers and dear friends. My name is Sandeep Nimani, and I am associated with Stock Exchange Businesses. Now, I would like to recall one of my memories when I don't remember I was in 9th or 10th. On one side Bhovan used to sit, and on one side Santaram used to sit. Almost every day I used to fight, and I act as a referee. After completing my 9th or 10th, I thought that I don't know the entire year I acted as a student or acted as a referee. Okay, thanks.
Oh wow. Sujata. Swati, you are next.
Myself, Sucheta, Gaito Nina, I'm Bolkar. I don't know whether all teachers may be living as Fernandez. I really thank you. I may be remembering when mother had come in 5th standard. It changed my life because I was not good at study, but I was very fortunate to be in the school, Gopalji Imraj school. I have done my BCom. Now I am working in a pharmaceutical company in accounts department. Happily married, a proud mother of an 18-year-old boy. Happily, okay, fine.
Swati. Okay. Shweta, you are next after her.
I'm Swati Oza, now Kapadia. I did my BSc, I did my B.Ed. I was a very good teacher, thanks to Fernandez Miss. And now I'm working with my husband in a garment industry in Bangalore. Thank you, that's it. Nikita, was that short? Yeah, I'm a good teacher just because of her. And my English is very good just because of her.
Because you were a classmate, English is good.
Well, I think we have. Swati forgot to mention something. Her daughter is into aviation industry. स्वाति obviously यार. वही तो गई अभी. Okay, Dr. Shweta. Veena, you are after her.
Hello everybody. My name is Dr. Shweta Shah. Now I am Mani. Previously I was Shah. I am staying at Virar at present. It has been very nice to meet you all after so many years. It has been a very pleasant experience, and I hope we share many such more experience before we become senior citizens.
You know, as it is, doctors have a habit of speaking in short only, because उनके बोलने से ज्यादा उनके प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बोलते हैं. Fine, Veena. Okay, Venki. Now another NRI. We thank him a lot for coming all the way from US.
How are you? I'm going to make it short and sweet, okay? Number sweet before. So, thanks to again the sponsors, आपने organize जो किया है. Anyway, let me make it short and sweet. I went to US in 1991 and I have my own software company and office in Noida and US. And it's about it. Happily married and one wife, one kid.
Well.
Lots many millions of dollars.
Okay. Acha, Veena has got a neighbor in form of Venki in New Jersey. Both of them stay nearby towns only. She is quite lucky, at least somebody is there. Now, let me introduce to you next MF Hussain in making. Where is he? Vijay?
So, those of you who don't know me or have trouble remembering me, I am Vijay Kamath and I used to draw a little, so I don't know Apnesh has gone too far in mentioning or comparing me with MF Hussain. But I am into graphic designing now, so I pursued my love and I am fortunate enough to work in an advertising agency as a graphic designer. I am happily married and a kid, 11-year-old son. That's all. Thank you, man.
That's very sweet. And you know, I just tell everybody, you know, we all the males around here, we are gathering a lot of courage saying happily married. घर पे कितनी पड़ती होगी हम ही जानते हैं. Okay, Vinod. Acha, Vinod was asking right from the beginning, if at all we don't comply, what's the punishment? I think I should ask him to kneel down and speak.
Respected teachers and friends, I was in GS school from KG to 10th standard, so full-fledged. Okay. Let me tell you from the personal side, and then we'll go back to school. I am married. I have a wife and I have two sons, and I am into profession of teaching now. Actually, I went to US in 91, then I graduated there, worked for certain companies, came back here, went to Japan, Germany, and now I've settled down to teaching the same type of courses and subjects which I specialized in. I'm at NMIMS University and I'm currently pursuing my PhD also. Now coming back to the school front, KG से लेके 7th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक प्रमोट ही किया मुझे, कभी कोई रैंक नहीं आया मुझे. I never had any rank. 50th rank, 60th, कभी कुछ नहीं. Promoted. It was that way. But it was due to Negandhi Miss, who inspired me, to like really study, don't do any mischief. Like 8th standard से थोड़ा ranking आना चालू हुआ. But my colleagues were Divyesh Bhogani, Himanshu Patel, Devang Joshi. Those were the people who I was associating with. और मेरे वो सब था. मुझे एक इंसिडेंट याद है कोसी में इसका. देवांग जोशी और मुझे ना वो बेंच रहता था ना, उसके नीचे बिठा दिया था as a punishment. So it was that way. That's about it. और दिव्येश का बोलता हूँ, he has a wife and one son and one daughter. वो भूल गया था. See, such is our association, Yes. Mona Shroff.
Don't make him emotional, please.
There's nothing emotional. She's in US. I tried to contact her in US, but she never used to meet or call. I don't know, she was conscious or she changed a lot. I mean, if you look at physical appearance, she has changed a lot. So I mean, she was too conscious.
So
that conscious.
That put you off? That put you off?
But she has a sweet memories of school. She remembers old memories. I think we met in 1991. Get together. No, we all met, right? That was the last get together. 20 years back. 20 years back. हाँ. बराबर है. और कोई questions है? और शेयर क्या करें अभी नेक्स्ट? हितेश कुछ है? बाद में कैसेट में नहीं? I thank all my teachers also for really inspiring me after 7th or 8th standard, because after 7th standard, up to 7th, I was literally promoted, or rather I can say I was pushed. 3rd standard से 4th पे push किया, 4th से 5th, 6th ऐसा push ही किया. But then from 8th I started acquiring ranks, thanks to Negandhi Miss, who really inspired me, and all of you, Vatsala Miss, Fernandez Miss, Patak Miss. I'm really thankful to you. Time up. Next.
Well. So ladies, now there's someone who you all will be interested in. A diamond merchant, Samir Javeri. Well, I'm going to charge commission from you.
Take whatever you want. Yes, please. No, of course, everybody one diamond, I'll take the money. I'm a perfect businessman. I'll take money, not a problem. As you know, I'm Samir Javeri. Whatever I am right now, it's only because of my teachers. The way they have brought and given us the principles of life. There are many instances that I would like to remember. First, I would like to tell that I did my engineering, B Electronics from Ramarao Aditya's D.Y. Patil, Bombay University. And then I joined my father's business. And now for 15 days I'm over here, and 15 days I'm in Belgium. There are two, I have a daughter, and yes, Atul, one wife.
Good, keep it up. Atul, that is till date. अभी तक ही बात में. Till date, no?
Yeah, till date.
and it is going to be like that. We also have a playgroup and nursery running at Janata Theatre. It's in the name of Adi Playgroup and Nursery. My wife handles that. And we also have a IQ testing unit, child psychology, counseling, and all. She handles all those things. Now I have two instances that I remember which changed a bit of me. We were in 4th and Divedi Miss was there. And I was sitting, because I was too talkative at that time. I was always talkative. So I was sitting on the first bench. Yeah.
Get away from the punishment somehow.
Yeah, I used to get away from the punishment. We used to. So what happened was, Aparna was sitting on that side. I was sitting just in front of Madam, and Divedi Miss wanted one scale or some ruler. And because Aparna what she is, so she was not able to give it. And I was sitting over there, and I was not giving it. I was not taking it from her and giving it to Miss. So Miss took it, she called me and she, Samir, give me your hand. I gave the hand. And that time, I remember still in my life, I'm not going to forget that instance, that you have to be helpful in life. That was one thing. And another thing which I remember quite well was, we had a Gujarati class. I think it was in 10, Sampat Miss was taking it. And me, Aparna, Jagruti and Ashutosh, we were sitting, 4 of us. And I cracked some joke or something like that. And Sampat Miss told me, Aparna and Jagruti to stand up. And Sampat Miss told me, to all 3 of us and to the whole class, that ek keri bagdeli hoy, to badi keri ne karandiya ne bagade. That means if one mango is spoiled, it will spoil all mangoes in the basket. That thing has got into my mind up till now. I still remember it. I'm going to keep it in my mind. Whatever teachers have done for me, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, God. This is what makes our life important. The small insult, even the teachers' punishment, it helps us out in our life. कभी ऐसा लगता है यार इतना जोर से मार दिया, मगर बॉस वो चाटा नहीं खाया होता ना, तो I don't think मैं इधर आपके सामने खड़ा होता. गांधी मैम ने मुझे नहीं बोला रहता तो लास्ट बेंच का लॉर्ड हो चुका है, वहीं पर बैठा रहे. वो स्कोल्डिंग से इतना फील होता था, तो चलो मैंने सोचा आगे जाके कुछ करेंगे. And blessings of all the teachers, I tried my level best, and I got a job in bank, and right now I'm an officer over here. So introductions are over. Yeah, anybody left out in the introduction? Oh man, yeah please.
Oh ma'am.
Come on, yeah. ये CD घर पे देखने वाले.
Physically and mentally I am present. I am Gitanjali. I am into the teaching profession. I am working for Sardar Patel for last 22 years. My son has just passed out from 12th standard and he has joined mechanical engineering in DJ Sangvi. I am also the moderator for board. I usually used to meet Vatsala Miss whenever we used to have science exhibitions. Even last year I met Vatsala Miss. She had come to GH High School for the science exhibition with her granddaughter. I once again thank all our teachers and my friends, because this was really a reunion which we will cherish for the whole of our life. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Yeah. Nikita, you are want to say something?
इंट्रोडक्शन किया नहीं तूने?
किया.
नहीं किया. अरे मनीष दोषी के बाद किधर है यार?
Okay. Fine. Now,
ठीक है, सीढ़ी में देखेंगे अभी हम लोग.
keeping this day in mind, we are handing you friendship bands. So let's see, already given to you. So you are free to tie to anybody if you feel to tie. कौन यार ऐसे ही क्यों खड़े हो सब लोग? फ्रेंडशिप बैंड्स है आपके पास, जिसे चाहो जाके बांध सकते हो. Even teachers, because they are our friends, philosopher, guides. Okay, thanks.
सबके पास दिया हुआ
Please, please. See now we have started already.
Please do the same.
Copy. Exam नहीं है, कोई problem नहीं है.
क्यों राखी आज फ्रेंडशिप आई में
राखी बनवानी है. ए, कितने लोग तैयार है पूछ रहे हैं राखी बनवाने के लिए?
हम लोग माने के तैयार हैं, हम बनवाने के तैयार हैं।
No problem. I'm ready. ये सीडी घर पे देखने वाली है. चलेगा. अभी तो मैं जवान. Now the most hello. Please. Now all of you are very much aware about the Sanskrit slok that Rajiv Khan also spoke down here. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma,